everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever since I've uploaded a video. I'm so sorry about that. I'm gonna try to just get better and definitely go ahead and just create new content for you guys. So this is this look. I think it's just out there, dramatic, glittery, you know, just over the top extra. Why not, you know? I love the smoky brown glittery eye. I love the red. I always love a bold lip no matter what occasion it is. So this is just a perfect color and I'm obsessed with it. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I definitely enjoyed it and had so much fun creating this look for you guys. Let me know what other look you'd like me to do, and I promise I will be a lot better with uploading new videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please keep on watching. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. As you guys know, my foundation and concealer are already applied. Before I even start with my eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and add translucent powder right underneath my eyes. That way, if I have any foul or anything, I can just go ahead and swipe it off. So I'm going to be using Mercier's translucent powder. So I'm just going to grab a little bit and I'm going to just use my beauty blender and... Actually, I'm not gonna use my beauty blender. I'm gonna use a regular sponge and I'm just gonna grab it and just apply it right underneath my lower lash line. Let's go ahead and prime our eyes. I'm gonna be using MAC's Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply it all over the lid. I usually go and I add it all the way up to the brow bone and then all the way to the lid, and just want to kind of smooth everything out. That way you really don't have any creases. We're actually going to go in and add a shadow on top just to kind of set everything. So let's go ahead and do the other eye as well. We do look a little scary, but it's okay. Once we kind of get going, it'll be a little bit different. Alright, so for this look, I'm going to be using... I'm going to kind of go in between, so I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm going to go in with the shadow and I'm going to go ahead and just set my lids right now. So I'm going to go in actually with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour palette, and I'm going to use the shade Banana, which is this one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and tap. We don't want to really swipe it, because you don't want to just create those harsh lines. So just go ahead and tap, and then you can go ahead and swipe. So this is going to create a nice little base so that we can go ahead and get started with our shadows. So for the first shade, I'm going to start creating my transition shade. I'm going to go with Golden Orchard. We're going to go along our crease area. We're just going to start creating that shade, that transition shade. Alright, now from the same palette, I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange, and we're just going to go ahead and start darkening up that crease area just to kind of give us more definition. So you want to start by the bottom on the outer corner. So you want to kind of place most of that product there and then just kind of scoop it and like swoop it out, and then just drag the remaining all the way up to the crease. And you still want to kind of have that intensified effect out here and then just kind of build in. So before I even go ahead and darken up the outer corners, I'm going to go ahead and just apply a base on my lids. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Waterproof Cream Color, and this is in the shade Honey. So then I'm going to grab a flat brush and I'm just going to go ahead and just apply over the lid. I'm just going to create a little base. Now for the lid, I'm going to go in with ColourPop, and these are their Super Shock Shadows, and this is in the shade Sequins. And this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Look at that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to apply it with, let's see. sometimes with your finger it's a little bit easier to apply instead of a brush. So I'm actually gonna do that. Let's try with my finger really fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply with my finger. Just look at that color. Yeah, it is a lot easier to apply with your finger. So I'm gonna get as close as I can with my finger. And then I'm gonna go in with just a small brush. That way I can go ahead and just add more on the corners. Now I'm gonna use another flat brush and I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the eyeshadow and just kind of tighten everything up. Perfect. That's just really cute. Look at how sparkly that is. That is cute. Now, add a little bit more of a oomph to this look. I'm gonna add another eyeshadow on top of the little eyeshadow we just had. But I'm just gonna add it right in the center. This is from mPrincess, and these are like their loose shadows, and they're so gorgeous. It's just, they're gorgeous colors. And this is in Melting Maple. And you can see the packaging, it's very small. This is a sample, of course, I'm sorry, this is a sample. Let me see if I can show you, if this shows on camera, how beautiful this is. Ooh, there's so much fallout. Okay, ooh, it's a lot of fallout. So hopefully you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do, it should stick by itself. It really grabs on, so you really don't need any like glitter glue or anything like that. So in case you do though, you can always go with, I use Max Mixing Medium, and I usually like to use this on top of my shadow or my lid. That way my glitters stick a lot easier. But let's go ahead and just use that. I'm going to go in with the, just from the top itself, and I'm just going to add it right in the middle. Oh wow, look at that, man. I really want to put it all over the lid though. No, we're just going to the middle. These are beautiful colors. So if you want to like add a little bit more oomph in general, you can go ahead and add like a mix the mixing medium or a glitter glue and just add it on top, and it will make everything pop, man. That's gorgeous. Alright guys, so off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and add my liner, add mascara, and then my lashes, and then we'll come back and then we'll finish up the face and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you guys what kind of mascara I'll be using and my lashes that I'll be using. The lashes I'll be using, these are from Friends Beauty, and I'll put the link down below so you can see all of their stuff that they have. So these are the lashes. This is number 605. They're very like wispy and dramatic lashes, so I think it's perfect for this look. The mascara that I'll be using is from L'Oreal, and this is their Lash Paradise, the Voluminous one. And the liner that I'll be using, I am a big fan of Physicians Formula. This is our eye booster, like the 2-in-1 lash boosting eyeliner and serum. But I just love the way that these apply really well. They're both the same. I don't know why I have both. The precision and the way that this pen glides is just amazing. I love this so much. So I think this is like the best liner to use in general. So this is what it looks like. Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, my lashes are already on. They're very dramatic and oof, out there lashes. I also filled in my brows. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. Alright, so I totally forgot we were gonna go ahead and darken up our outer crease. So let's go ahead and just do that. As you can tell, I still have the transition powder, which is fine because I actually noticed that I have a lot of fallout. So we're gonna go back with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Actually, we're gonna combine two different shades. We're gonna use Red Orchard and Cypress Umber. And we're just gonna go on the outer corner, so slightly. So just on the outer corner. We should have done this before, but it's okay. I totally forgot, but it's okay, we can make it work. You kind of again want to focus all of that product on the outer corner and then move in. So then we're gonna grab a clean brush so that we can just kind of blend those edges out. So just like that, you see how I kind of just darkened up a little bit more. Clean out that fallout, and then we're gonna do the exact same thing. So outer corner. And then we're gonna go with our blending brush and blend everything out. All right, so let's go ahead and just clean off this. Just grab any brush and then just swipe it off. Let's finish up the face. We'll come back and finish up the lower lash line, but to contour, I'm gonna go ahead and use a foundation stick because I really want my contour to just really stick out. I'm gonna be using Maybelline's Fit Me. This is in the shade 355. So it's a foundation stick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it on my cheekbones and my forehead and then down the chin. You just want to feel like where the hollow of your cheek is, and then you can just apply right there. I usually like to apply a little bit higher up, like right here, the forehead as well. Maybe just a little bit on the mouth, this would be extra. And I have my beauty blender that is damped, it's like really damp, so I'm gonna hopefully make it work. Ooh, I like really cute and funny. And then we're just gonna blend everything out. So just tap away. Along with this, I'm actually gonna grab a brush. This helps like blend everything out, so let's go ahead and blend it out. I'm actually gonna spray a little bit so that way it's not so rough. I'm gonna spray with a little bit Max Fix Plus. That was just a little bit easier. And we're just gonna go ahead and like use circular motions. I feel like with the beauty blender here, it's a little bit harder. So I like to just go ahead and just like do circular motions here. So then just to kind of make this more cut, I'm gonna go in with my translucent powder and I'm gonna go in and just create that nice little chiseled look. Now I'm gonna grab my regular, sponge that I used before. We're just gonna go along the jawline. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm going to intensify that. Actually, no, we're just gonna let that wait. So we're just gonna wait. Let's go ahead and finish up our lower lash line, and then we'll let this bake a little bit, and then we're gonna clean it off and we'll add a little bit more product on there. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to use just the same brown shades I've used before. So I'm gonna go in with Golden Ochre and Burnt Orange just to kind of give us a little bit more of a defined under eye. Now to just give us some more of a intensified look, I'm gonna go in with these Urban Decay, the Heavy Metal Glitter Liquid, and this is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply this just a little bit on my lower lash line. So just right towards the middle. Just right there. I just feel like that would give it a little bit more of a pop of color, more of a fun look. Let's go ahead and add mascara. You can use any mascara that you like. Okay, so let's go ahead and dust this off. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I'm going to go ahead and use the middle shade just to kind of, darken up my contour. So I'm going to go around, just darken up my contour and go to my temples, and then go a little bit down my forehead just to darken up my face, and then down the jawline. Let's add a little bit of blush. I'm gonna be using Morphe, and I'm gonna go with the palette 9B. And I'm gonna go in with this rosy shade. And the trick is just so if you want to smile, and just apply it on the apples of the cheeks. Like this. And then just swoop it back. Let's go ahead and add some highlighter. I'm gonna go with Laura Geller and this is in the shade Gilded Honey. And I'm just gonna drag it on my brow bone, a little bit on my forehead, my lid, my nose, chin. You're just gonna do it all over. At this point, why not, right? We're almost there. Now for my waterline, I'm gonna go in with Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Pencil, and this is in the shade Mars, which is a nice emerald green. Alright, now for lips. I'm super excited. So first I'm gonna outline my lips with Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in this shade Bang, which is a nice coral color. Now for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with BH Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Sweet Mango. It's a nice coral color, so let's go ahead and add that. Now you can just leave it just as is, or you could apply a gloss on top, like a red rich gloss on top, just to make the look more dramatic. So I'm gonna go in with Makeup Forever's lip gloss, and this is in the shade just, I guess, red. This is like their artist collection. And this is just a little sample that I received. And this is what the container is. As you can tell, it's very, very glossy. Gives it like another look. It's just so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Definitely follow me on social media. I'm on Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all the products and tools that I use today will be right down in my description box. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!